Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. We cover a ton of topics that can truly transform your everyday life. And don't forget to share this video and leave a comment. Your engagement helps us create more quality content for you. So, let's get into it. Today we're tackling a topic that many find embarrassing but is extremely common: stinky feet. Don't worry, you're not alone. Foot odor is a universal problem, and luckily, it's entirely solvable. So let's roll up our sleeves or, perhaps, pull off our socks and get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Step 1. Proper washing technique. Preparation: fill a basin with warm water and add a few drops of antibacterial soap. Wash: submerge your feet and gently scrub them using a washcloth or a soft brush. Focus on the soles and between the toes. Rinse and dry: rinse your feet thoroughly and pat them dry with a towel. Why it works: keeping your feet clean is essential. A study by the Journal of Foot and Ankle Research pointed out that bacteria and fungi love sweaty, dirty environments. Step 2. Foot soak. Preparation: fill a basin with warm water and add either a commercial foot soak solution or Epsom salt. Soak: put your feet in and relax for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse and dry: once done, rinse and towel dry your feet completely. Why it works: Epsom salt is known to kill bacteria, according to a report by the American Academy of Dermatology. Step 3. Thorough drying and powdering. Dry: make sure your feet are completely dry. Powder: apply foot powder or cornstarch, focusing on areas that tend to get sweaty. Why it works: a study in the journal Dermatology showed that cornstarch can absorb moisture effectively. Step 4. Sock selection. Always go for socks made from natural fibers like cotton. Avoid synthetic fibers at all costs. Change them daily or even more often if you exercise. Why it works: the International Journal of Dermatology confirms that natural fibers allow your feet to breathe, reducing moisture. Step 5. Shoe choices. Choose shoes made of natural materials like leather or canvas. Avoid plastic or synthetic materials. Why it works: according to podiatrists from the American Podiatric Medical Association, breathable materials can significantly reduce foot odor. Step 6. Use shoe inserts and alternate shoes. Inserts: place odor-fighting or antibacterial shoe inserts in your shoes. Alternate: don't wear the same pair of shoes 2 days in a row. Why it works: letting your shoes air out can kill the bacteria, as confirmed by research from the Society of Chiropodists and Podiatrists. Step 7. Disinfect shoes and store properly. Disinfect: spray the insides of your shoes with rubbing alcohol. Storage: place them in a plastic bag and put them in the freezer overnight. Why it works: a study in the Journal of Applied Microbiology confirms that freezing can kill most bacteria and fungi. So, that's it, folks. A simple, comprehensive guide to getting your feet smelling fresh. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.